If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Today's first story. My 40th husband M42 wants me to sleep with other men. My husband and I have been married for 14 years but have known each other since I was 7 and he was 9. We were neighbors and his family lived just a few blocks away from mine. We were the best of friends growing up and started dating when I was 13 and he was 15, but broke up when he left for college at 18. During that time, he has had the whole college experience while I focused more on my education and career, so I never really dated anyone. We reconnected when we were 22 and 24, respectively, and have been together ever since. Needless to say, he was more than surprised that I was never with anyone in the 7 years we were apart. It just never felt right. Now I know he's been with several women before, but it never really bothered me. I have pretty much indulged every sexual fantasy he has ever had as long as he promised that S was just for us. I told him that all I wanted was a committed and monogamous relationship with him, and it's been that way since. About a month ago, he dropped a bomb. I have always encouraged him to be open and honest with me about anything, but it was still a shocker. Apparently, he has always had this fantasy about me having sex with other guys while he watches. The very thought of this made me violently ill, and I told him that I would never do it. He tried to argue for a bit, but he dropped it, or so I thought. Even we own several small business together, but I have since taken a step back after we had kids. I still help out with management every now and then though. A few days after that encounter, I came by the office to have lunch with him and help with some paperwork, and I have noticed that some of the staff, especially the younger guys, started acting all flirty with me, which I found very inappropriate. I told my husband, but he just shrugged and smiled, saying it was normal because I was attractive. Even when he had a few of his buddies over to watch basketball, one of his friends openly flirted with me in the kitchen while I prepared their snacks. Again, I told my husband, but he just shrugged it off. He never really brought up that fantasy of his directly, but since then he's been casually mentioning how good looking this person or that person is, almost as if he is trying to set me up with them. Every time I call him out on it, he just says he's not doing anything wrong, that he's just talking. I am at the end of my rope. I have always found pride in the fact that I have only ever been with one man. It's always been special to me, and he knows this, but it doesn't seem like he respects that at all. I have always been devoted to him since we were kids, but he doesn't seem to value my commitment and loyalty at all. Every time I try talking to him about it, he says he's already dropped it, yet I always have this gut feeling that the people flirting with me were doing it with his encouragement. Before that, everyone knew how devoted I was. What should I do? I definitely don't want to divorce cause I do live with him with all my heart, but this whole thing has been driving me crazy. Any advice? Edit to add, I don't want to have sex with other men. I never have, and I probably never will. The very idea makes me sick. I only ever wanted to do it with him because I always believed that yes should be reserved only for someone you love, but I don't really push this narrative to others. That's just me. The best comments for this story. No, just tell him he has to drop it forever if he wants to be with you. And it sounds like has already crossing boundaries and trying to wear you down. Don't give into this nonsense. Faithfulness is worth a lot more than to indulge in his selfishness. If the employees are being flirty outright, put them back in place. You worked previously there as one of the top dogs. So tell them to back off. Same with his buddies. If he does not respect your wishes, tell him he better or leave. That's the end of the first story. If you guys not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let's start the second one. I am 27. Want to break up with my SO 23F because I can't stop thinking about my ex. I need some help because long story short, my current SO is very needy person and I was like that. But after a while I grow out of it. However, I understand why she is needy. She is also a little fragile, as in easy to cry, and I just don't want her to cry. She is very smart and is getting a job promotion soon, fingers crossed. I read somewhere already that having a bad day is a once a week occurrence or maybe once a month, but with her there is always something every day, even in days where I think I am making her happy. There is always something, and honestly, after our shifts changed, where I work nights and she works in the morning, I find myself being relieved that I have the time to myself. Don't get me wrong, I too can be needy and want to hug the ever loving F out of my favorite person, but I am an adult that has dreams I need to work for. I also have feelings about my ex I needed to process with someone, and whenever I wanted to talk to her about it, she got jealous and told me to keep the past in the past. Nowadays, when I am not talking to her 24/7, my ex comes back again and again, so much so that I had to look her up. That's when I found out from an acquaintance that she's just went under surgery for a tumor removal. My heart aches and I couldn't breathe. All my attention was to make sure she was fine, and I wanted to be there with her. And that's where we are now. I just sent a couple of texts to my ex, and after that I felt so guilty. I don't know what to do. I want to break up with my current SO and be there for my ex more than anything. I completely lost touch. At the same time, I don't know how to break it to a person that's in a very fragile state of mind without letting them break. I truly wish my SO the best in the world, but I just can't handle her anymore. I tried to encourage her to be stronger, and it's helped her. I want to help my SO overcome the fragility about at the same. I no longer want her to be my SO. Just a friend. I will help. How should I go about this? I forgot to mention that in the beginning of our talking to each other, my SO used to speak a lot about her ex, and I helped elevate the mindset from wanting to be with him to wanting to achieve her dream. However, she didn't hear me out about my ex, and the one time I brought it up, she got jealous and wanted the past to be the past. The beginning of our relationship started relatively after the death of a close friend of hers. I was with her the whole week and consoling her. I also dropped the love bomb early on out of habit. My mother passed away, and I used to tell my family I loved them when I was with them. A few days after that, she dropped it too, and I thought to myself, why not give it a shot? I guess she thought being with me for 24/7 would help me forget my ex. But all it did was hide it until it came back even stronger. I need to have some space and think about, because I don't want to leave this innocent, smart girl heartbroken just as she started to get her act together. I don't know how to start it with her. TLDR. I scare at communication as a human being. I still have feelings for ex and want to help her. Current SO never gave a chance to express my feeling and understand them with someone, and they came back to haunt me. Found out ex went through tumor removal, and I don't know how to express that. I don't want my current SO without breaking their state of mind.